Your email address. You've given that to 50 companies. You know it's out there. Your phone number feels different, more personal. The thing you only give to people you actually trust. Here's what most people don't know. That same number is tied to your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your Snapchat, your Amazon account, and probably a dozen other platforms you signed up for over the years. And 3 tools on GitHub can surface all of that from a single number in under a minute. Let me show you exactly how. Disclaimer. Everything here is strictly educational, for authorized security research and legal Osint investigations only. Never run these tools against numbers you don't have permission to investigate. Legal and ethical use only. Always. Tool number 1, PhoneInfoga. This tool is the starting point for any serious phone number investigation. And the reason it's always first is because it does something no basic carrier lookup does. You give it a number, and it runs 2 separate layers of analysis. First, it validates the number. Format, country of origin, carrier, line type, time zone. The structural stuff that tells you immediately whether you're dealing with a real mobile number, a VoIP, a landline, or a virtual number from a service like Google Voice. That distinction alone matters. A VoIP number on a person who claims to be calling from a specific country is immediately suspicious. But the second layer is what makes it genuinely useful. PhoneInfoga then runs that number through OSINT search queries, Google, social media platforms, data breach indexes, looking for anywhere that number has appeared publicly, profiles it's linked to, accounts it's associated with, mentions in public posts or documents. One number in, and you're getting structural data plus a web-wide intelligence sweep simultaneously. Tool number 2, Moriarty-Project. Where PhoneInfoga sweeps broadly, Moriarty-Project goes after specific, targeted intelligence, and it's structured in a way that makes it surprisingly practical. It's a web-based tool with 6 dedicated features you can run individually or all at once. General information, carrier, country, time zone, validity. Find owner. Attempts to identify who the number belongs to using publicly indexed data. Spam risk. Checks whether the number has been flagged across spam reporting databases. Related links. Pulls any publicly accessible URLs connected to that number. Social media. Searches for connected accounts across platforms. And comments. Surfaces any public discussions or reports tied to that number, particularly from complaint and scam reporting sites. That last one is worth pausing on. Spam and scam reporting sites are a genuinely underused Osint source. When a number has been used in fraud, phishing, or spam campaigns, people report it, publicly, with context. Moriarty aggregates those reports and hands them back to you as part of the profile. You're not just getting technical data, you're getting the behavioral history of that number. Tool number 3, Ignorant. This one is small, focused, and when it works, it's one of the most direct bridges from a phone number to a real identity that exists in open source tooling. Ignorant is from the same developer who built Wholehey, the email to accounts mapper that checks which services an email address is registered on. Ignorant does the exact same thing, but for phone numbers. It checks whether a given number is registered as an account on Instagram, Snapchat, Amazon, and other supported platforms, using the same password reset and registration flow technique that Wholehey uses, without actually touching or alerting the account. So if someone gave you a phone number and you need to know whether it's tied to a real Instagram or Snapchat account, Ignorant answers that directly. No manual checking, no guessing. It either is or it isn't. Combined with what PhoneInfoga and Moriarty return, that confirmation, phone number to platform account, is often the specific link that closes an investigation. All 3 are on GitHub. All free, all open source. Links are in the description. If this was useful, drop a like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments, was there a result from any of these that actually surprised you? See you in the next one.